Welcome to James The Economist, where we dive deep into the world of finance and economics to bring you the latest trends, insights, and opportunities. Today, we're exploring the top 3 investment opportunities for 2024 that could potentially reshape your financial future. So, grab your notepad and let's unlock the doors to financial growth together. In our first spotlight, we're talking about the future of sustainability through green energy innovations. As the world shifts towards renewable resources, investing in green energy companies or ETFs presents a golden opportunity. Solar power, wind energy, and electric vehicles are not just buzzwords, but the frontier of a sustainable economy. With governments worldwide pushing for greener policies, the sector is ripe for explosive growth. Remember, investing in green energy is investing in the planet's future, making it a win-win for your portfolio and the environment. Moving on to our second pick, the ever-evolving world of technology and AI. The tech industry continues to be a hotbed for growth, especially with advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain technology. Companies leading in AI research, software development, and innovative tech solutions are reshaping how we live and work. For investors, this means a chance to be part of a revolution that's just getting started. By focusing on firms that are pioneering these changes, you could see significant returns as they become integral parts of our digital future. Our final investment opportunity takes us into the heart of healthcare innovations. The healthcare sector has shown remarkable resilience and growth, especially in the wake of global challenges. Biotechnology firms, telehealth services, and companies involved in developing groundbreaking medical treatments offer promising investment avenues. As the demand for healthcare services and innovative solutions continues to rise, so does the potential for substantial investment returns. This sector not only offers financial gains, but also the gratification of contributing to advancements that save lives and improve health outcomes worldwide. As we wrap up our exploration of the top 3 investment opportunities for 2024, remember that the key to successful investing lies in research, diversification, and a keen eye on future trends. Green energy, technology and AI, and healthcare innovations are poised to lead the charge in the coming year, offering exciting prospects for savvy investors. Before making any investment, consider consulting with a financial advisor to tailor your portfolio to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Here at James The Economist, we're all about empowering you with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on navigating the financial landscape. Until next time, keep investing wisely and stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for tuning in to James The Economist. We're dedicated to bringing you valuable insights into the world of finance and economics. See you in the next video.